What's really behind detox juices and your health? Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: what's really behind detox juices and your health. First up, what exactly are detox juices? Usually, these are smoothies or juice cleanses made from fruits, vegetables, sometimes herbs, meant to flush out toxins. The idea? Clear your body of bad stuff and boost your health in just a few days. Here's the truth. Our bodies already have a pretty amazing detox system: the liver, kidneys, lungs, and even your skin. They work 24/7 to process and eliminate toxins naturally. So, do we really need to rely on juice cleanses? The science suggests not necessarily, unless you're dealing with specific health issues, which should be managed by a healthcare professional. While drinking more fruits and veggies is always a good thing, detox juices are the magic fix. Many cleanses are low in calories and protein, which can leave you fatigued, dizzy, or even lead to nutrient deficiencies if done improperly or for too long. Plus, some bottled or commercial detox juices may contain added sugars or preservatives, which counteract their health benefits. The potential downsides: relying solely on juices can also slow down your metabolism and make you lose muscle mass over time. Remember, health is about balance, not just detoxing for a few days. What really supporting your health looks like. So, what should you do instead? Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of water. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management are key to supporting your body's natural detox systems. 10 effects of detox juices on your health. 1. Rich in nutrients. Detox juices often pack vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, boosting your nutrient intake. 2. Hydration boost. They help keep you hydrated, especially when made mostly from water-rich fruits and veggies. 3. Digestive support. The fiber from some ingredients can aid digestion, though many juices lack fiber if strained. 4. Potential weight loss. Low-calorie detox juices may support weight loss, but not sustainable on their own. 5. Sugar content. Some juices contain high natural sugars, which might spike blood sugar levels. 6. Lack of protein and fats. Detox juices usually lack essential fats and proteins needed for balanced nutrition. 7. Temporary energy boost. Vitamins and sugars can give you a quick energy lift, but might lead to a crash later. 8. Detoxification claims. Scientific evidence on detox juices cleansing your body is limited. Your liver and kidneys handle detox naturally. 9. Possible nutrient deficiencies. Relying solely on juices can result in deficiencies of calories and key nutrients if not balanced. 10. Gut health impact. Juices with added fiber can benefit gut health, but excessive fruit juices may cause digestive issues due to high sugar levels. Here are 10 popular detox juice ideas. 1. Green apple and cucumber detox. 2. Lemon ginger detox. 3. Watermelon Mint Refresh. Carrot and Beetroot Cleanser. 5. Pineapple and Kale Detox. 6. Cilantro Lemon Detox. 7. Lemon Cucumber Aloe Vera. 8. Turmeric Apple Juice. 9. Orange Carrot Lemon. 10. Spinach and Pear Detox. 11. In conclusion, detox juices can be a refreshing way to add more fruits and veggies to your diet, but they aren't a shortcut to health. Your body's built-in detox system does a pretty great job, so let's support it with real food and healthy habits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more wellness truth bombs, and share your thoughts or detox experiences in the comments below. Stay healthy and informed. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear your thoughts on medicinal herbs in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about medicinal plants and their applications, be sure to check out my other videos.